Good morning. Here's a very short video how to show you how to make your Volkswagen or Skoda or Seat or Audi, any Volkswagen group car that has lane assist functionality, to make it more or less self-driving on the highway. And I'm not going to do any long introductions. I hate that on YouTube videos, delaying the message till the end. I'm going to keep it short. Normally, after 12 seconds, if you don't hold the steering wheel, a warning message will come up and it'll tell you to put your hands back on the steering wheel. However, if you use, and here's the trick, a bottle, and more specific, a 750 ml water bottle, you can place it in the steering wheel like so, and then the system thinks you are holding the steering wheel. Now, I know this may not be entirely legal, so use it at your own risk and be careful. I am not condoning or suggesting that you're doing this, and in fact I will hold the wheel again now, but I'm here just to show you that technically this works. Okay, now I'm holding the steering wheel as well, but it was just to show you. I'll count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. That there is no beeping message and the car will continue to steer. Whereas if I do not have this bottle, now you will see the warning will come. So use it at your own risk. I'm not suggesting that you do this, I'm just showing you that technically it works. See? Now I get the warning. Alright, I hope this was useful. Let me know what you think and have a nice day. Bye.